this week, the week of January 25th, we're thinking about letter U. And I hope you'll stop into the library and pick up a packet. This week our activities include another writing prompt about letter U. There's a couple stories. I hope you've been collecting them and keeping them in a big book. It'll be fun to see all your stories together. And we've got an activity about a unicorn, which is to color in your own unicorn keychain. And then we have a fun activity packet about Captain Underpants. There's some puzzles, mazes, coloring sheets, and plans to make a flip book. Create your own flip-a-rama. And we've got some paper for you to do that. Okay? So this might be a great week to read a book about none other than Captain Underpants. Or how about a book about polar bears' underwear, as we're thinking about letter U. Perhaps you prefer unicorns. Well, we've got books on unicorns. There's even a Pete the Cat unicorn book. Okay? Here's a relatively new one to our library called Unicorns, and it's part of a series about all kinds of mythical creatures. So you could read them all. Or a chapter book about unicorns. The author is Kathleen Dewey. Maybe you want to watch a movie as we're thinking about the letter U. How about Up? Or Ugly Dolls? Or Upside Down Magic? There's even a book by that name, Upside Down Magic. It's part of a series. Well, when I think of the letter U, I think about umbrellas. And when I think about umbrellas, I can't help but thinking about Mary Poppins with her magical umbrella. So perhaps you'd like to read a book about Mary Poppins this week. The author P.L. Travers wrote these books a long, long time ago, and they are still popular. We don't have very many books by the authors whose last names start with the letter U, but we do have this fun one called The Adventures of a Girl Called Bicycle. And the author is Christina Uss. You can see that this book won an award in the state of Texas. Many states put out a recommended reading list, or they give awards to different authors. Wisconsin does that as well. Well, I'm going to turn off the camera and bop over to our winter reading prizes. One moment. All right, we're coming to the end of January, so I want to remind you that we're in the middle of our winter reading challenge. This goes until February 15th. Everyone who completes 5 activities on their reading activity log has a chance to enter the drawing, and you have to choose the prize you're interested in. We've got a contest for ages 0 to 5, ages 5 to 12, ages 12 to 18, and 18 and up, so grown-ups can play too. We have 3 different prizes for the 0 to 5 age, 3 different prizes for the 5 to 12, 3 prizes for the teens, and 3 prizes for the adults. And one winner from all ages is also going to win a Kindle Fire. The only way that you can enter the drawing is by completing 5 activities on your reading log, and most importantly, turning in your entry slip. So I hope to see those coming in, and I hope that you have fun trying some different reading activities. Well, thanks for joining me here at the Edgerton Public Library for our Reading Adventure Club, and I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.